Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how to increase internet speed on PC. From the Windows search bar, search for Control Panel. Now click on View Network Status and Task. Then click on Change Adapter Settings. Then right click on Wi-Fi. Then click on Properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on Properties. Now click on Use the following DNS server from the bottom. Then set the preferred DNS server as 8.8.8.8. Then alternate DNS server as 8.8.4.4 and OK. Now go to browser, then search for Wi-Fi Analyzer PC. Now click on the first website link. Now download and install the Wi-Fi Analyze application from here. Then go to Windows search bar, then search for Wi-Fi. From the results, click on Wi-Fi Analyzer. From the top left, click on Analyze. Then click on Connected and check the frequency. Now go to browser and type 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.2.1. Try to search one by one from the browser. Then go to Wi-Fi 5 edges. Then click on the General tab. Make the changes according to your preference. Then click on Save. Then go to Windows search bar. Then search for Windows Update Settings. Then click on Advanced Options. Then turn off all the toggles. Then close the window. Then check the network speed from the browser. By following the steps, you can boost Wi-Fi internet speed.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.